Okay, welcome guys to this video. I'm going to show you how, after you've installed a template using Binder or the Template Installer Pro or our standard template installer app, where your templates show up on your Remarkable tablet. So I have my Remarkable tablet here, and I actually opened up just a blank notebook that I have here. If you look at the very bottom, there's these five buttons at the bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. So if I click this third one, it looks like a stacked paper. You see a bunch of stacked papers there? If I click that third one down from the top, you notice there's a template menu. It's the second one down, and there's a little icon to the right of it. If I click on that, you're presented with a menu of all of your templates, okay? So when you install on using Binder or anything else, it's not going to show up until you actually restart your tablet. So you notice there's no, at the top, I don't have that EP tab at the top. That's because I haven't actually restarted this. So let's power this off and see if we can get this EP tab to show up. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, I'm going to go back here in Binder, and then I'm going to shut it off here. So let's turn it off. Also, while this is working, so Remarkable always updates their firmware. There's always a new version coming out. And you may notice sometimes that the templates that you had previously installed on your tablet, possibly they don't exist anymore, because what Remarkable does when you do a firmware update, it wipes out all of your custom settings. So you're going to have to actually go back in here and restore your templates that you had before. Luckily, with Binder, there is a restore all button. So if I click this and you've used Binder in the past, it's going to take all of the information, all of the custom tablets that you had before, and automatically put them back on your tablet, and then all of your affected notebooks will be back to normal. So that's a good feature. It's a lifesaver. It saved me a lot of times. So let's see if they're on our tablet. So if you actually, to access your actual templates on your tablet, on your Remarkable tablet, you go to a notebook. This is the easiest way. I'm going to show you both ways to do it. So you can create a notebook by clicking, let's see, this notebook button at the top here. Try and position this so you can see it. If I go ahead and hit that notebook, it's going to create it. You see? And then on the left, or the right rather, you're going to see a button that says View All. So if I click that, what Remarkable requires you to do is to, when you create a template, when you create a notebook, is to first select what templates you want to create for the first page of your notebook. So look really close here. You see how there is a little EP category right there at the top. So that little tab there, it correlates with the actual category here that you install it into. So if I tap it, that one right there, it's going to show all four templates that I previously installed. You notice that it matches up here. You notice that the actual icon or the thumbnail of the template is not actually the thumbnail, an actual preview of the image. It's actually just a font. You cannot do anything about this, okay? This information is on Remarkable. It's just saying, okay, these particular icons, they represent the template that I previously installed. Okay, if I double click this, I'll show you what I mean. So you notice that? You see that there? That's the icon that I chose right there. So if I wanted to choose another one, I could when I install it, but let's just keep it normal. I'm going to hit done to get out of this screen here. Let's move that. It's probably messing with it. And then it's going to reload. So in order to get your templates to show up correctly on your tablet, you must always restart after installing a template. I'm going to do that here real quick. Okay. So let's see this grocery one. I'm going to install it. Let it go. It's going to take a moment. And there it is. So there's a grocery one I just installed. I'm going to restart it from here. So you don't actually have to do that from here if you don't want to. To restart your, after installing a template, you can hold down the power button for a few seconds, and then it's going to shut off, and then there's going to be a turn off button that you confirm that you want to turn off your tablet. You tap that, it's going to turn off. Once it's turned off, you just hold this down again to turn it back on. But this feature actually, I think, saves your button because there's a spring in here. You don't want to mess that up. Over time, I think if you keep holding this down, it's just some mechanics. It's a spring. Springs wear out. So that's why we actually have this button. So you click that, give it a minute. It's going to restart the tablet if your tablet is currently connected. So it restarted. Once it loads back up, you should see the new template that you previously installed. So we're going to go back in here again just to check. So I'm going to show you another way to access the template menu. So let's find a previously created notebook. You see at the bottom there, let's see, there's these 5 buttons. The third one down, it looks like a stacked pieces of paper. So if you click that and click on the second option, you see how it says template? Whoop, looks like I clicked too soon. Go back in there. And then let's go back into the EP tab again. So I click that, and notice it has all 5 templates now that I just installed. Let's find the one that we just installed, which was the grocery one. It's right here. I click that, and boom, there you go. So for that particular page, I now have a grocery template. You can actually add more. So what the beauty of templates, real quick, before I end this video, is templates allow you to mix and match pages inside of your notebook. You could have one template, a line, Cornell view, and you add another page, and you can have a grid on the next page, or the sky's the limit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@eInkPads.com. Or if you want to download and browse our very large inventory of templates or products for your remarkable tablet, go to eInkPads.com and subscribe below. We're going to have a lot of different videos on how to maximize the functionality of your remarkable tablet. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.